Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick after dinner clean with me. Let me know in the comments below if you use an Instant Pot. The meal I made on this particular day was the first time ever I put a whole, fresh, not frozen chicken in it, and let me tell you, it was delicious. So juicy, and Andrew even said it was his favorite yet. So if you have any Instant Pot faves, please share them down below because I'd love to find some new creations to throw in my pot. But getting back into today's video, like I said, this is an after dinner clean, pretty much my basic after dinner cleaning routine, and this is all the talking I'm going to be doing for this video as it's a short one. So thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.